Hey everybody, welcome. Today I have the latest product from Apple AirPods 4, and I'm going to tell you how can you easily clean your USB port. So, you might have seen that your USB Type-C port at the bottom of your case is dirty, and if you want to clean it, the best option is to prepare yourself a cleaner that looks like that. And in this cleaner, it's the best if you have these types of cleaning things, and you have to have your alcohol, and apart from alcohol, it's best if you have, at the moment I have to find it, this type of cleaner. And not only this, and this type of cleaner, as you can see. Now, the best thing we can do is to let our alcohol into our USB Type-C port, and with this thing we can clean our USB Type-C port inside, as you can see. But we have to do it very carefully. Do not use water and any other alcohol. The best alcohol is isopropanol. And apart from this cleaner, we can use this cleaner, as you can see, to clean the inside. And flash your flashlight inside if you want to see if your case is clean. Let me show you that it is. As you can see, no dirt at all. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.